Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to add a contact to favorite on Zangi. To add a contact or chat to your favorites in Zangi, first of all, launch open the Zangi application on your mobile device. Log into your account if necessary, and once you're inside the main chat page, navigate to the chat or contact where your conversation or contacts are listed. Select the contact from your chat list, or you can also go to Contacts tab at the bottom. Choose one of the contacts you'd like to add as your favorite, and once you do that, this will open up their info section. Click on Add to Favorites button, and you will then be able to mark the contact as favorite. Once you mark your contact as favorite, you can access it easily in the favorite sections within your contact list. So that is how you easily mark a contact as favorite in Zangi. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.